Acids. Acid is a chemical substance that is sour in taste. Many food items such as lemon, curd, orange, vinegar, these are sour to taste because of the presence of acid. So we can say that acidic substances are the substances that contain acid in them. Natural acids are the acids that occur in nature. For example, acids found in fruits are natural acids. Bases. The base is a chemical substance that has bitter taste and soapy texture. Few substances that contain base are bleach, ammonia, washing powder and soap. Bases are also called as alkaline. So, basic substances are the substances that contain base in them. There is one more substance, that is neutral substance, which are neither acidic nor basic in nature. Indicators. We cannot taste every object found in its nature. So, we require a substance that is known as indicators. Indicator is a substance that can determine if a substance is acidic or basic in nature. The indicator indicates the presence of an acid or a base by changing their color. For example, few natural indicators are turmeric, China rose and litmus. And the natural indicators are the indicators that occur in nature, and we get the litmus from this lichen. This is the lichen. So first is the litmus. Litmus is a natural indicator which is obtained from lichen. The litmus is available in solution form and paper strip also. It is available in two forms, red litmus and blue litmus. So if we check a acid with a blue litmus paper, here we observe that it changes into red color. That means the acid turns blue litmus red. On the other hand, if we check the base with a red litmus paper, we observe that it turns into blue. So the base turned red litmus blue. Here there is a chart which shows that if we do not observe any change, that means it is a neutral solution. For example, tap water, common salt and sugar solution, these do not show any change, so these are neutral. On the other hand, detergent solution, soap solution, baking soda solution, milk of magnesia, washing soda solution, lime water, it shows that it changes red litmus to blue. That means these are basic in nature. On the other hand, aerated drink, vinegar, these generally show that it turns blue litmus red. So these are acidic in nature. Turmeric. Turmeric is also one kind of indicator. How to prepare a turmeric card? We require to mix turmeric with water and make a paste and put them in blotting paper and dry the strip. This is how we can make a turmeric paper. The turmeric paper is put into the solution in order to check whether it is acidic or alkaline or basic in nature. Sometimes turmeric solution is also used as indicator. So what change we generally observe? If we dip the turmeric solution, turmeric paper in a basic solution, we observe that it changes into red color. That means the base turned red, and if we check acid in the turmeric card, we observe no change. It means it remains as yellow. Now here few solutions are given. If we check lemon juice, orange, vinegar, we observe that there is no change in color. So it may be acidic or neutral in nature. Same in case of sugar and common salt, also no change observed. So this may be acidic or neutral. On the other hand, when we check milk of magnesia, baking soda and lime water with a turmeric card or turmeric solution, we observe that it changes into red. That means it is basic in nature. Now China rose. China rose petals are kept in warm water. We will observe a pink color solution, and this is also used as the indicator. Now what is the color change we observe? When we check China rose acid, it will turn into magenta color, dark pink color, and when we check base with a turmeric solution, it will change into green color. So here it is showing when we check shampoo, soda water, sodium hydrogen carbonate solution, we observe that it changes into green color. This means these are base. On the other hand, when we check lemon juice, vinegar, we observe that it changes into magenta color. That means it is acid. On the other hand, if we check sugar and common salt solution, no changes observed, means it is neutral in nature. So here few solutions are given. We need to check what is the effect on litmus paper, turmeric paper and China rose. Hydrochloric acid, it generally turns blue litmus red. Turmeric, no changes observed, and China rose, it turns into dark pink, magenta color. So it is acidic in nature. Same in case of sulfuric, nitric and acetic acid. Same changes we observe. That means hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric and acetic acid, these are acidic in nature. On the other hand, if we check sodium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide, we observe that it turned red litmus blue, and the turmeric paper will turn into red, and the China rose solution will turn into green. That means sodium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide are basic in nature. Acid rain. So what is acid rain? When rainwater has increased the amount of acid in it, we call it as acid rain. Now acid rain is formed because of the presence of air pollutants like nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. These pollutants mix with rainwater and form acid. For example, nitrogen dioxide reacts with rainwater and form nitric acid. Sulfur dioxide reacts with rainwater and forms sulfuric acid. And carbon dioxide reacts with rainwater and it forms carbonic acid. And acid rain is severely affect the vegetation, animal life and even buildings of the region where it falls. Thank you.